the dishwasher will be busy. Next time, you cook and you will understand. Well, you complain.
I'm not complaining, I'm just it helps to put dishwasher.
At least, honey, you're not washing the dishes. The dishwasher will wash it for you.
Still have to load the cook though.
You don't need to load it. I can load it myself.
I couldn't bring myself to allow it.
Really? Really, honey?
I have to go down below.
What? Where are we gonna put this?
Oh, that's it. I'm gonna put it.
And how about this? Oh my god, I want to sneeze. It's so annoying, that feeling. Look at my cheeks, honey. It's so red.
You want?
Look at my cheeks.
Yeah, cool.
Am I okay? I look so red, honey.
Don't they call you Rosie?
I look so red.
Oh, Rosie. It's a new name. Rosie. Rosie Mia.
I need to take paracetamol. I need to be better. I need to get better for my hubby. Because he will be lonely.
Action.
Action!
Right.
Inuubo din ako ay. My throat is aching. Because when I cough, it's like there's an echo, honey, isn't it?
Because the way you sneeze and cough, you're not helping yourself.
Oh, how can I?
You do it like this. Maniac. See something, it's not very warm in this house.
No, it's not very warm. Noon, I only take one paracetamol. Kasi nakasanayan ko na sa atin na pag nagtitake ako ng paracetamol, one paracetamol lang. Pero dito, natutunan ko na you can take 2 paracetamol together.
Where's the cloth gone?
There, it's in the radiator. You can take paracetamol, 2 paracetamol 4 times a day, and you will be fine, I think.
Well, you used to tell me, oh no, I want to take him on.
I know, but it just don't.
Me. You never could trust your husband. She thought when you were I was trying to kill you. No. I told you, 4 times a day, every 4 hours.
For adults, the elderly, and the children, 16 years and over, take 1 or 2 paracetamol up to 4 times a day. So yan yung recommended dosage. Because in the Philippines, I'm used to take 1 paracetamol. That's all I know. That's why I'm scared.
Your mother would only allow you.
Why?
She was saving money.
Probably.
Yeah. It's like only one member of the family is allowed to get married once a year.
Hey,
Unless it's a
Filipino, most, well,
unless it's a double wedding, it's just all in one go.
Honey.
But if it's 2 separate weddings, yeah, I know.
We have pamahiing in the Philippines. Because when we got married, and my sister as well is getting married, supposedly my sister is getting married that year, but pinauna nila kami. So, John suggested, why not to have a double wedding? So it will be, you know, it will be cheaper. But because we have, I don't know, what's the English word of pamahiin? I think it's a superstitious belief that we cannot get married.
It's not. It's a Filipino way because They've been to say
Honey, many Filipino will
because
be mad at
because they can't afford.
Many Filipino will be mad at you. Respect our superstitions.
I do respect it, but I can assure you that will have come out at some point because the big families, you see, right? And if you had 2 or 3 weddings in a year, which is very possible in a family.
Yeah, but men normally spend the money.
No, but what I'm actually saying is the families can't afford to pay for that many weddings in 1 year.
Yeah, but
so
it's very random to have a family. Like, for example, you've got 4 sons and getting married in the same year. No, honey.
Darling, I know that somebody came up with the idea that
it's just the way we are. That's our superstition.
You might class it as a superstition, but I know fact is it's a way of not spending because the family can't afford to pay for 2 weddings. I quite understand that. But it's done in
It's bad luck.
It's been done in more of a polite way.
It's bad luck, hun.
Nothing to do with that.
Nothing to do with bad luck. I am finished with that, thank you. Right, I'm going upstairs. I will open my advent calendar. Bye! Bye! Ayaw talaga maniwala ni Mr. na bad luck yung ikasal ka na sabay kayo. Diba sa atin, bad luck yan? Well, wala tayong magagawa kasi si Mr. at tayong mga Pilipino, iba-iba yung culture natin. Good morning mga palangga. It's another day and it's another vlog. So yung vlog na napanood niyo sa first part, that vlog was from last night's vlog kasi while I was editing, sobrang haba na, so pinutol ko na lang para mai-continue ko na lang today. So, yeah, yun yung gagawin natin. And ngayon, mag-ayos-ayos ako kasi yung kaibigan namin pupunta ngayon to pick their Christmas tree. It's a bad day to pick the Christmas tree. Pero, yun yung sabi nila kahapon na pupunta sila ngayon to pick their Christmas tree. Pero, yeah, it's very bad day kasi umuulan. At sobrang mahangin sa labas. Yan. So, mag-ayos-ayos tayo para naman hindi tayo masyadong maputla tingnan and we look a bit presentable, diba? Yung mga tao dito, pag sasabihin mo na you got a cold, nako, parang sila lahat tatakbo sa'yo. Tatakbo papalayo kasi ayaw nilang mahawa ng cold. Hindi naman sa pagiging maarte, totoo naman talaga sila na ayaw nilang mahawa sa cold kasi pag nagkakasakit ka talaga, mahirap. So, yung ginagamit ko sa face ko is itong Origins. Gustong-gusto ko to. Yung pimple ko, hindi na masyadong masakit. Magpa-foundation ako ng konti. Para naman may color tong pagmumukha ko. Kaunti lang. Tomorrow, meron akong trabaho tomorrow. So, ang ginagawa ko pag meron akong sakit, naglalagay talaga ako ng heavier makeup than usual. Kasi ayaw ko naman pumunta sa trabaho na I look like I am sick. At ako yung parang dapat alagaan, diba? So, kahit na masama yung pakiramdam, at least yung face mo, hindi look like na mayroon kang sakit. Lalagyan ko lang ng concealer yung pimple ko. At yung under eyes ko, lalagyan ko siya ng Banana Bright Eye Cream. Ito yung brand. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce yung brand. Pero ito, nakikita ba? Yan. Or ilalagay ko na lang sa screen. I'm so hungry. Kasi kanina, yung kinain ko lang, yogurt. Yung pangkilay ko nandito. Oh, I need a lip balm. Kailangan natin yung lip balm kasi yung lips ko sobrang dry. Kailangan nating mag-lipstick ng kaunti. Baka sabihin ng asawa niya, kasi yung asawa niya, ng kaibigan ni Jan, na pupunta ngayon, magkatrabaho kami. And nung nagkita sila last time ni Jan, sinabi ni Jan na I'm not feeling well, which I'm not feeling well. So, ngayon na nagpaganda ako, baka sabihin niya, oy, wala naman tong sakit kasi mukhang okay naman. Ay, nako naman. Look can be deceiving. And set ko yung under eye ko sa banana powder. At least kahit nasa bahay lang din tayo, kung hindi sila tutuloy ngayon, at least presentable tayo para kay Mr. Kasi sabi niya yesterday, ang haggard mo tingnan. Face powder. Dito talaga yung parting ng buhok ko. So, kaya, yung iba, sinasabi nila, oy, wag mong itali na maghipit yung buhok mo kasi yung hairline mo tumataas na. So, dito, napapansin nyo, medyo mataas siya kaysa kumpara dito. Ewan ko lang, but ever since, ganyan na talaga. Kasi, feeling ko lang na the reason bakit ganyan, kasi nandito nga yung hairline ko, diba? Yan. So, supposedly, itong mga hair na to, nagka-cover to dito. Pero, yun nga, mahilig ako sa pagtali ng aking buhok like that. Sa trabaho kasi, pag hindi mo tinatali yung buhok mo, sagabal. So, ito na. Tapos na tayong magpaganda ng konti. Yung video camera pala, tinapon ni Jan. Ito. Nandito na. Yan. Trinay niya ulit if mag-work ba. No, hindi. Failure. Hindi na talaga siya nag-work. Kaya ayun, sabi niya na it's not worth keeping daw sa bahay pag hindi na nagagamit. Maglo-laundry din tayo. Yan. I still have my uniform in the washing machine. Nakalimutan ko siyang isampay kahapon. What would you like tonight, honeybee?
What we got?
Ooh, I don't know.
What we got to have is that garlic bread.
Wow, you like garlic bread? I really don't know. What would you like?
I don't know. Where's your bread?
Underneath.
Where's my plate?
Oh,
Dishwasher.
it fell in a dishwasher.
Somebody's not done the dishwasher.
We'll do that later after lunch.
After lunch, yeah?
Yes. It's very thick, this is. Very thick. Excuse me. My toast. I don't want my toast to be very brown.
I don't want my bread to be too thick.
Do you think they will come today?
Possibly this afternoon, I said. But,
It's a bad day.
yeah, but he's got to go somewhere tomorrow, I think he said. Julie's probably working this morning, she said.
I'm not sure. So ito yung lunch natin. If this is in the Philippines, our lunch will be rice. Full of rice.
I believe it.
We need to decide what we're having when we
What is
go out
our
on
name,
the 20th of December. So, mister, what are you having? Are we actually writing this one? No, I'll write. We're gonna write here?
Well, you could just put right
No,
on.
we need to have
Just write it on bottom here.
Yeah, but this one will be passed to the other person,
This is-
so we need to be...
This is ours. Everybody's got one of these. Put our name on it.
Which one? Yeah. Why? Why like that?
Put it in big writing. Right, okay. And then you can put,
Starter.
well, just put one soup of the
Just
day.
put starter, please.
No, just, darling, don't put starter.
Okay, soup of the day
Times one.
times 1. And
What
then,
are you having?
I really don't know. I'm having pate. I'm just gonna put pate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Times one. Come
Oh.
on.
Why times 1?
Well, then
Right,
you
okay.
might decide you want 2 starters then.
And then for our main,
Right, that's what we've got there. That's a grill. Got ribeye. Don't like price of ribeye. That's gammon.
the ribeye is 16 pounds and 95 pence. And the rump steak is 14 pounds and 95 pence. They got vegetarian. Main. I'm thinking to have a fish. But last year I did order the same thing, pate and salmon.
Right, so he's got the grills.
Is that right? Ribeye, medium rare, plus pork and Stilton sauce. And my main, I really don't know, honey.
So do you want another coffee?
Yes, please. I can't make my mind up.
Well, you need to make it. Oh, don't forget.
Nah, I'll have salmon. Salmon. Yeah, that's it. Honey, can I have one mince pie? Please.
These are special mince pies.
Well, I am special.
Okay. So you just say special.
I am special. I don't think so. They're coming today, honey.
They will later this afternoon, he said.
Yeah, but look at the
Darling,
weather.
darling, darling.
It's not the best. Are you getting excited?
Do you have any wrapping paper?
Yes, we got plenty. Are you gonna wrap something for me?
These are special.
Kailangan nating i-highlight yung sinulat natin. Kasi baka hindi nila mapansin. I think naman mapapansin nila. Aalis na si Mr. Pupunta siya sa workshop. So manonood tayo ng TV kasi kanina nanood ako ng TV and then merong tumawag. Kaya ayun. Iko-continue natin. Buti na lang yung TV nila dito may pause. Sa amin, yung TV namin walang pause. Nanonood ako ng ito. Customer is always right na program.
Hi.
Bye!
Is there, what temperature is it out?
16.5.
Is it still on? They're not heating, or has it gone off?
Oh.
Gone off.
Bye, honeybee. 1:45 na dito, wala pa din yung kaibigan ni Jan na supposedly they will pick their Christmas tree today. Gusto ko matulog kasi tapos na ako sa assignment ko. And kasi tomorrow, meron akong trabaho. So, gusto ko munang magpahinga. Prepare for tomorrow. Wala, oy, yung battery ko, nag-dibling sa naman ay. Palagi na lang talaga ay. Yung panahon ngayon, yung panahon na gusto mong kumain ng mga sabaw-sabaw. Tapos na yung laundry natin. It's cold in here. Naka-on yung heating natin. So, madali lang silang matuyo. So, yung asawa pala niya, siya yung nag-recommend sa akin sa pinagtatrabahoan ko ngayon. Siya yung nag-recommend sa akin na kakilala ko to, mabait na tao to. So, ako, na nakapasok ako. Sobrang dali lang talaga ako nakapasok. Wala akong formal interview. Nung first meeting ko sa manager namin, informal chat lang talaga. Ano na, pasok na ako, diba? Sometimes talaga, it helps kung may kakilala ka. Like, sabi ko sa inyo, I am looking a job sa hospital at wala, rejected palagi. So, minsan talaga, tinatanong nila kung may kakilala ka ba sa hospital or may kakilala ka sa hospital. It helps sometimes kung may kakilala ka. Anyway, magkakapi ako. Actually, hindi ako magkakapi. Iinom ako ng hot water with lemon juice kasi sobrang sakit ng lalamunan ko. Ang kati nito ay, this is the reason why bihira ko tong sinusuot kasi makati yung tela niya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit makati. Mostly mostly sa neck area makati. Maganda sana to pag may honey, pero wala man akong honey. Bango ng amoy. Lalagyan ko muna siya ng kaunting water. Para hindi masyadong mainit. Tamang-tama lang. Maasim. Right, let's go upstairs mga palangga. Magpapahinga ako, matutulog muna ako, and then I'll see you later. Hindi ako makatulog. Kasi I am thinking kasi na merong bisitang darating. Pero until now, wala pa din sila. So, mag-i-edit na lang ako kasi malapit na ding mag-4 dito. Pagpasensya nyo na, it's red dahil sa lighting natin. Mag-o-open tayo sa ating pang-11 na advent calendar. Pang-11 natin na item. Hindi ko na ito turn on yung light kasi I think okay naman siguro. Ito turn on ko nga kasi parang red kayo tingnan. Well, ako. Parang red ako tingnan. There you are. So, ito na yung pang-11 natin. 11, where are you? There. Ito yung pang-11 natin na item. 56 minutes. We're cooking ham. Lippy.
Why is the light so bright?
I am opening my advent calendar. It's a NYX liquid sweet metallic matte. Yeah, it's a lippy again. I am hoping na sana merong mascara to kasi I love mascara. I used to be addicted on trying mascara. Pero nung natagpuan ko na yung heroin make, nagtipot na ako. So, ito yung item natin. Yung amoy niya, hindi ko magets. Kasi, barado yung ilong ko. Pero maganda. Maganda yung packaging. Ito lahat yung na-accumulate ko from day 1 to 11. Ito ba lahat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lang siya. Where are the others? O, diba? Dito ko nilalagay sa sleeves ko yung tissue. Natutunan ko to sa aking binabantayan na residence. Binalik ko ba yung iba? Yeah, binalik ko yung iba. Kukunin natin. Para hindi tayo ma-confused. So, I think ito na lahat. Bilangin natin ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, ito lahat sila. So, anyway mga palangga, dito ko na din i-end yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat talaga sa panunood. Pasensyahan nyo na kasi most or sometimes sa vlog natin dito talaga nag-i-end kasi sometimes kasi nakakalimutan ko talaga siyang i-film. So, sometimes ini-insert ko na lang. But, yeah, anyway, I will say good night now kasi tomorrow meron pa akong trabaho. 3:30 to 9:30 ako tomorrow. So, kailangan magtrabaho kasi magpapasko na yung mga pamangkin ko, yung pamilya ko, nanghihingi ng regalo ng pamasko. Sabi ko sa kanila, nasaan yung akin? Tinawanan lang nila ako, diba? So, yeah. Pasko, malapit na magpasko. So, the pressure is on me na naman. Ganun talaga tayo. So, anyway, good night mga palangga. I'll see you in my next vlog. And maraming salamat talaga. Yung mata ko, sobang tamlay. So, bye! Mwah! Mwah! Still here.